So it's very simple. So once you open account, so probably those who haven't opened the account, please go and open your account. But by that time, so you may need to specify your credit card details or debit card details. You will get one message and you have to fill up that information properly. This is very standard and simple procedure. You can easily follow all the instructions step by step while opening that account and open that. Once you open that account, so I'm going to showcase few things. So let me first sign out from here. Okay, so once you open account, you need to go sign in. I'm going to showcase few things. So there are two types of users are there. One is root user, one is IAM user. So generally, you might have specified your email ID or something, right? So you can use that email ID as your root user email address or root user account. So in my case, I have this particular email ID as my root user account. So generally, you will go and use the root user, not this IAM user, which is for alternate purpose. Means we can create multiple kinds of users. So that's where this IAM user is used. But right now, we are going to log in using root user account. So specify your email ID. After that, you need to specify password. Till now, it is very standard process. If you want to log in anywhere, this is the flow we need to follow. But now the next thing which is very important, that is MFA. So multi-factor authentication is there. So I'll put my multi-factor authentication and I'll check also those who haven't enabled the multi-factor authentication, and I'll show you how to enable that. Right now, I'm checking my code and I'll put that code in the. So this is my multi-factor authentication code and I'm logging in. So now the question goes, please type in the, let me go a little slow here. So here you will have your username in the top right side corner. After that, you need to just click there. You need to click on security credential, and here you can multi-factor or something is there, right? So click on those options and probably you will be in a position to activate your multi-factor authentication. Okay, so if anyone who has not activated, here you guide rest of the people one by one. Anyone. So let's take the example of, I can see Rishnavar can share his channel guide.
I'm sharing it.
Yes. So as part of the multi-factor authentication, you need to install one more application on your mobile. So you can install Google Authenticator. Just check your smartphone and install Google Authenticator.
Able to see my screen?
Yeah, I can see yours. So you can select that assign MFA device. Those who haven't activated their MFA, please follow all the instructions. So you can see here, you can put any name. So you can say my mobile or you can give any name to your device. Okay, my laptop. No, generally it will be mobile on which you will be doing that multi-factor authentication. So give mobile. Okay. Now select the first option, scroll down that authentication app. So what you need to do, you need to install one authentication app. Just scroll down. Just click there. Is there any option? Okay, next button is there. I click on the next button. So there is one QR code to install compatible applications such as Google Authenticator. So please go and install Google Authenticator on your mobile. So please, okay, search in application directory and install Google Authenticator. So it will take some time as this is the first thing. So installation takes little bit more time. Once we install everything, we can fast track actual learning of all the commands and anything related with Linux and Git. So installation initially takes little bit time and we have to carry everyone along with us. So anybody is speeding up, we need to bring other people along with us, and that's how carry everyone learn. So once you install Google Authenticator and other people just, and what is the advantage of this? Why we are installing multi-factor authentication by the time people install Google Authenticator? Can anybody tell me what is the advantage of MFA? Just feel free to unmute yourself and answer this question. What is the advantage? Or you can type in the chat window also. What is the advantage of MFA? Why should we go for MFA? Multi-factor
added security.
Exactly. It is enhanced security, added security. But how it helps you?
Maybe I will get a code on my mobile and then I have to sync it.
Correct. So what happens to secure?
Sorry to interrupt. So while installing, it's asking for the two. One is the lifetime access. It's cost 1,500 and yearly auto renewal. Below that, I can see there is an option trial and plan.
Go and without payment option.
No, I don't have that option too.
No, because when I install, it wasn't asking for any payment. Right now, I don't know. They might have made it paid service. So what?
Ajay, are you talking about Google Authenticator or?
Google Authenticator.
It's not asking me anything. It's asking just to add a code.
Yeah. So just search with the authenticator there. Just search with the authenticator. Probably you might be installing some other application because Google Authenticator for sure it is free. So what is the? Do you see star? Star means star kind of icon as part of of the authenticator, because there are various authenticator, or even you can try for Duo Mobile or some other authentications app there. AUTHY Authi app. Okay, that is correct actually. You need to install. Who has pasted this? Piyush has pasted the right icon. So that is what the Google. Okay.
You can see there is some code.
Yeah. So what you need to do, you need to open your authenticator and there must be some option for QR. So
So that I
scan
had
this.
done.
Yeah, you have already done. Then use the app to scan the. So you will get some code there, right?
Yes.
So type first
And-
code and after that immediately second code you can. Okay, everybody follow same instruction in your respective mobile application. So don't scan this code which we are seeing on the screen. Please scan your individual AWS account code.
So first code I have entered.
Yeah, after 1 minute or some certain time, the
Okay.
next code will appear. So put that code there. Okay. Add MFA. Now I think it has been activated. Okay. Now what you can do quickly, you can sign out and check whether it is working for you or not. Just log out and again try to log in and we will check it out whether it is really set up in your case or not. Very good. It is asking for. So check your Google Authenticator and put that code here. Okay, perfect, perfect. So it's activated. So what is the advantage of MFA? Even if suppose somebody hack your username and password, still you have that hard token with you on your mobile. And without that token, nobody can hack your account because we are providing very sensitive information here. I mean, our credit card details, and if anybody purchase any purchase any service by hacking your account, you will get very huge. You need to spend those dollar and rupees. That's where activating MFA is very, very important. And not only here, but wherever, even your normal Gmail or other places also, I'll highly request you use same Google Authenticator and activate your Gmail accounts also for multi-factor authentication. So by saying this, the next question in the pipeline, how many of you install Git on your machine? So already I have shared documents. So let